So I tried this new remote work productivity hack and it changed my life. Do you want to achieve more in less time, manage your time better and experience a well-balanced work-life dynamic? Ever wish you could enhance your productivity while working remotely? What if there was a proven method that could boost your focus, concentration and work-life balance? In this video, we're about to introduce you to the Pomodoro Technique and its incredible benefits. Now, let's dive even deeper and discover how this game-changing time management method can transform your work and life. We'll take you on the step-by-step exploration of the Pomodoro Technique's core principles and how it can empower you to become more productive, manage your time better, and achieve a well-balanced work-life dynamic. Get ready to equip yourself with the knowledge and skills to make the most of every moment, work smarter, and embrace a more efficient, focused, and balanced approach. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It helps me to grow my channel and to make more videos like this. Thank you so much for your support. Alright, let's take a deep dive into a fascinating world of Pomodoro Technique, a game changer in the realm of productivity. Imagine this. Way back in the 80s, a student named Francesco Cirillo was on a mission to supercharge his study sessions. His weapon of choice? A cute kitchen timer that looked like a tomato. Why a tomato, you ask? Well, besides being a kitchen hero, it symbolizes efficiency in both cooking and time management. Cirillo called his method the Pomodoro Technique, and it's all about breaking your work into short sprints, each lasting a focused 25 minutes. These focus bursts are affectionately called Pomodoros. Now, after each Pomodoro, you earn a well-deserved break. It's like a mini reward for your hard work. This technique isn't just about boosting your productivity. It's a guide to working smarter, finding balance, and making the most out of your time. So, if you're eager to up your productivity game, stick around. We are about to explore how the Pomodoro Technique can be your secret weapon in the world of remote work. Plus, we'll sprinkle in some handy tips for time management, staying focused, and being a productivity pro. Whether you're working from the comfort of your home or just want to crush your to-do list, get ready for a journey into the productivity realm. Whether you're navigating the world of remote work or just aiming to be a productivity powerhouse, I'm here to guide you. Buckle up for simple tricks, practical advice, and a dash of motivation to make work feel like a breeze. Now, let's uncover the fantastic perks that make the Pomodoro Technique your go-to superhero in the world of time management and productivity. Buckle up for these game-changing benefits. Sharpen concentration. The Pomodoro Technique boosts your focus, making sure you're locked in on your tasks. Amplified output. Get ready to achieve more in less time, skyrocketing your productivity and finding that sweet work-life balance. Burnout prevention. Those regular breaks, they're your shield against burnout, keeping you fresh and preventing you from going into overdrive. Time mastery. Say hello to a structured approach to time management, helping you make the most of every precious hour. Accountability boost. That ticking timer becomes your productivity buddy, making sure you stay on track and conquer your day. These benefits make the Pomodoro Technique a total game changer, giving you the tools to ramp up efficiency and productivity while keeping that work-life balance in check. As we journey through this segment, we're about to dive deep into how these perks translate to remote work scenarios. We've got practical strategies and productivity tips coming your way, empowering you to unleash the power potential of the Pomodoro Technique. Whether you're working from the comfort of your home or hustling in the office, brace yourself to supercharge for focus, productivity, and efficiency. We're here to explore how to be more productive, master your time, and maintain a work-life balance, all thanks to the magic of the Pomodoro Technique. Let's make those tasks tremble. Now, let's dive into the crucial tips that will not just make your Pomodoro sessions effective, but downright transformative. Here's your Pomodoro playbook for success. Strategic task selection. Pick your task wisely for each Pomodoro, making sure you maximize your time and what matters most. Distraction management. Create a calm workspace. and stash away that phone to keep interruptions at bay. Goal realism. Fit your tasks snugly into the 25 minutes time frame, avoiding the trap of overloading yourself. Consistency is a key. Establish a routine to make the Pomodoro Technique a powerhouse. Whatever you're clocking in remotely or from the comfort of your home, recharge strategically. Make the most of your Pomodoro breaks, maybe with a quick walk or a snack to recharge your energy. These tips are the secret sauce of Pomodoro experience that takes your productivity to new highs, letting you make every moment count. As we delve deeper into this segment, you'll see how these practical strategies seamlessly integrate into your remote work routine. We've got insights on time management, productivity tips, and advice on working efficiently, whether you're at the office or in the cozy corners of your home. Get ready to master your time, heighten your focus, and boost your efficiency, no matter where you're working. We're here to guide you on your journey to checking of your tasks, managing your time like a pro, and achieving the sought-after work-life balance. Let's make it happen. Discovering a healthy balance between work and life, especially when you work from home, is completely achievable. Just apply the advice from this video and you'll be able to set up work routine that not only boosts your productivity but also ensures you're taking care of your physical and mental well-being, all at the same time. Here's another great video that will help you to grow remotely.